Hey everybody, welcome to this A1 English listening practice video. You can use this video to practice your listening and comprehension as I speak. Before we start, remember to subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and follow us on Instagram. So today, I'm going to talk about social media. Nowadays, many people have social media apps on their phones and computers. Many people use social media to communicate with their friends and family. They also use social media for many other things. Let's talk about the different social media apps. The most famous app is Facebook. Facebook is very popular all around the world. People all around the world use Facebook every day. They use Facebook on their computers, and they use Facebook on their phones. I think more people use Facebook on their phones, not their computers. Facebook was invented in 2004, but it wasn't popular then. I started using Facebook in 2010. When did you start using Facebook? So let's talk about what you can do on Facebook. First of all, you can use it to post text, pictures, and videos. When you post something, all your friends can see it. I don't post much on Facebook. You can also use Facebook to send messages. You can send messages to one person or to a group. You can also follow people and pages on Facebook. I follow some news pages so I can see the news on Facebook. You can do many things on this app, but I don't really like Facebook. Okay, so now let's talk about Instagram. Instagram is the most popular app for young people. People use this app to post pictures and videos. If you like pictures, then you'll probably like Instagram. I don't like Facebook, but I do like Instagram. I like it because it's fun to look at photos. On Instagram, you can follow other people to see their pictures. Some people like following celebrities and other famous people. I don't really like following celebrities. How about you? Do you follow any celebrities on Instagram? Another thing you can do on Instagram is post an Instagram story. You can post many photos and videos to your story. I don't usually post on Instagram, but I look at other people's posts. I think that Instagram is better than Facebook. Okay, so another social media app that people use is Twitter. I don't have Twitter, so I don't really know how to use it. But I know that it's a very popular app all around the world. Many people use this app to follow the news. People post news stories on Twitter. I don't need a Twitter account because I can read the news on Facebook. Another app that young people use is Snapchat. I had Snapchat when I was younger, but now I don't. People use Snapchat to send pictures and short videos to each other. Then these pictures and videos disappear after you view them. There are many other social media apps too. The world loves social media. Alright, that's all for today. Leave a comment and tell me which social media app you like best. And remember to subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and follow us on Instagram for more English tips and lessons. I'll see you next time.